Did you know that December 30th is seen as National Bicarbonate of Soda Day in the United States? We've spent a lot of time singing the praises of baking soda in the past. For a full breakdown of all of the many benefits that baking soda can bring to your life, check out our video titled 7 Unexpected Health Benefits of Baking Soda. Today, we're going to narrow our focus a little bit by zeroing in on one specific use for baking soda that we may have neglected in the past. You may not have already known about this, but in addition to all of its other potential uses, baking soda can also be useful when it comes to getting a handle of acne breakouts. Today, we're going to walk you through how to treat acne using good old-fashioned household baking soda.
Before we start though, be sure to treat your boredom by subscribing to Bestie and ringing the notification bell. Also, support our channel by watching until the end.
As far as natural home remedies go, baking soda can be a highly effective way to get your acne breakouts under control, otherwise known as sodium bicarbonate. Healthline defines baking soda as an alkaline substance that is helpful in managing pH levels. Because baking soda resides on the basic side of the pH scale, it can be used to neutralize acids both in and around your body. For example, by lowering the level of acidity in your stomach, baking soda can help cure upset stomachs, indigestion, and acid reflux.
In addition to its effectiveness and reducing acidity, baking soda also contains properties which make it an effective anti-inflammatory and antiseptic agent, which also makes it useful for treating afflictions which affect the skin, such as irritation, rashes, and bug bites. Many over-the-counter creams and medications to treat these conditions contain baking soda as an ingredient for this very reason. By the same token, the anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda can also be useful when it comes to reducing the size of acne breakouts, as well as the pain caused as a result of inflamed pimples. While not recommended for daily use, you can use baking soda as an exfoliant for particularly harsh breakouts of acne, or to boost the effects of any acne products you're already using.
When we say baking soda is not recommended as an everyday acne treatment, we realize that's a point that probably bears repeating. While baking soda can be useful in helping you see the results, there are some potential dangers associated with baking soda-based acne treatments as well. If you're not careful, baking soda on bare skin can potentially cause more harm than good, specifically by leading to unintended and unwanted side effects such as drying out your skin, causing early onset wrinkles, irritating your skin, or even making your acne breakouts worse. This is because your skin naturally contains a fair amount of acid in the form of natural oils, which keep your skin moisturized and protected against harmful bacteria. And since baking soda nullifies acid, that means that it can undo the protection that these skin oils provide as a result. With that in mind, if you're going to attempt to use baking soda to treat your acne, make sure that you know the risks and be careful to avoid overdoing it.
So now that we've got the warning out of the way, let's take a closer look at how you can use baking soda in order to treat your acne. The first thing you should do is make sure you're using a fresh box of baking soda for the treatment. Baking soda that you've already used for other jobs, such as deodorizing your fridge, could potentially be harmful to your skin due to the fact that the baking soda has already interacted with and reacted to other chemicals and substances. Also, bear in mind that you'll only be needing a small amount of baking soda to get the job done. As we said, be careful not to go overboard.
The first way you can use baking soda to treat acne is by including baking soda as part of an exfoliating mask or facial scrub. After using a cleanser on your face, mix no more than 2 tablespoons of baking soda into a small amount of warm water in order to form a paste. From there, massage the paste into your skin using your fingers. If you're using baking soda as an exfoliant, rinse the baking soda off of your skin as soon as you're finished massaging it in. If using baking soda as a base for a facial mask, make sure you don't leave any of it on for longer than 10 to 15 minutes. In both cases, once you've rinsed the baking soda off of your face, be sure to immediately follow it up with moisturizer in order to prevent your skin from drying out. And don't rely on using this technique more than twice per week.
As another possible method, you can use a minuscule amount of baking soda to give other acne products a beneficial boost in their overall effectiveness. Using no more than half a tablespoon, mix some baking soda into your daily cleanser and gently massage the mixture onto your skin. As with the other methods, be sure to apply a moisturizer as soon as you're done rinsing the baking soda from your face. Also, like the previous methods, be sure to avoid mixing baking soda into your facial cleansers more than twice per week.
While baking soda can be highly effective at taking care of pesky pimples, the fact that baking soda is so potent when it comes to neutralizing acid means that it can potentially cause more harm than good by reducing the intended effect it has on your skin's natural oils. If other acne remedies had little to no effect on your breakouts, baking soda can be a useful addition to your skincare routine, but only if you take all the necessary precautions in order to avoid making yourself susceptible to any unwanted side effects.
Have any other tips, tricks, or hacks related to baking soda that you'd be interested in sharing? Leave a comment below and help us keep the conversation going.
Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.